So my mom left this sticky note this morning, and I have no idea what sandwich water is, but it looks like we're gonna find out. Welcome to Cooking with Matt. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make ourselves a sandwich. So just spread that mayo on. Oh yeah, that should be enough for that piece. We're out of mayo. What is this crap? I fixed our mayo issue. Now we're gonna add a little bit of mustard, however much you like for your sandwiches. That should be enough. And of course, you need meat. And you need cheese. Boom. Delicious sandwich made. Okay. Now we're gonna get a blender and put really hot water in there. Already did that just for you guys. And we're gonna add some lemonade mix to add to the flavor of our water. And let's mix it up a little bit. How about that? Now that is delectable. Okay, we're gonna move our water over to the side a little bit and prepare our sandwich to make it water. First thing first, we're gonna cut it into quarters. And then eighths. So now we're gonna add half of the sandwich pieces into the blender now and then start pulsing. So you can just shove it in that hole. That's about half. Don't forget to put the top on because it'll make a ginormous mess if you don't. And we're gonna go to speed 10 because you gotta max it out whenever you can, if you know what I mean. Okay, so it seems like it's pretty well constituted into the rest of the mix. Now we're gonna add the other half of the sandwich. Ooh. I can tell this is gonna be delicious. One last piece of bread. And let's go. Okay, once your sandwich water has come to a nice consistency, we're going to strain out any extra chunks that may be there. I would use a strainer, but I don't have one, so I'm using this little UFO-y thing. It should work just fine. Crap. There we go. Oh. So, bottoms up. Bon appetit. We used hot water in the blender because that helps unlock the flavor of the sandwich. So after letting it sit for about 30 minutes, that should just get all of the flavor, the fullest flavor you can get. So after that, you can just pour some ice in there, get it to chill, and there you have it. This stuff is great for picnics or barbecues. If you don't have enough time to make a sandwich, you can take a sandwich water with you to work. It's got all the same nutrients. Plus it's got lemonade in it, so it's kind of better. It's like a 5-course meal if you ask me. Let's give it a shot. Ooh, that looks delicious, if you know what I mean. Oh, gross. And that is how you make sandwich water. Thank you for cooking with Matt.